Welcome back to Pree Dis. My name is Kruddy, and you all know who this is right here. It's the wonderful female that you can win a date with very, very soon. It's open only to male, 18 and 31. 31? 31? Yeah, if you're older than that, you can't run it. All right, we don't want a big 60-year-old grandfather. I try to get in from, Denyque. All right, from Supergirl. That's what I meant to say a while ago. But keeping the show rolling, Denyque. Right now, we have an artist coming up in the show called Don Husky. He's on Talent on the Rise, and since you walk past your whole On the Rise stage and you're in the business, how was it being a young artist, though?
I didn't walk past my On the Rise stage. I entered Rising Stars in 06. That never worked out. And then I started out, I took my steps. I Can't Breathe, and I had Summer Love. Then I had Hooked on Me, and then I had Supergirl. And now I have Made Me Believe You.
So this is her.
It's been a rise. I'm still rising.
This is her trying to be modest. Oh, I'm still a young artist. Denyque definitely one of my favorite right now in the entertainment business. You check out Don Husky, Talent on the Rise. Pree Dis.
Sometimes I wanna be by myself, wanna relax my mind and my brain self. Now want see no more blood, no more spank shell. Jail so nice, me no want go back a hell.
Right now we are bring positive music. It's like how Cartel would have did, cause big up Cartel, I'm an artist. We are do music for everybody. We are do music for elder people them. We are do music for children them. We are do music for the adult them. Cause you know, I love music, you know. So you know, I have to just do all type of music. My name is Russian Brown, you know. Big up my mother for give me that name there. You hear that? And me now, you don't know I'm born a Whitehall. You hear that? Grew up a cassava piece. You don't know a whole heap of place. Grand Spend, big up Grand Spend, big up Garden. Big up Spanglers, you don't know I'm a place the whole works. You hear that? I'm going to work hard for this, you hear that? So Pree Dis, I Don Husky this, DSR Young Gun this. I do a song named Streets of Jamaica. You see that song here? It's an original song where an elder do named Bruce Springsteen. He do a song named Streets of Philadelphia. I don't know if you're familiar with it. I listen to that song and I listen to it and I say, you know, I'm going to do about that song here. But I'm going to do it in an hour way. Make them know where I go on to Jamaica. I tell every ghetto youth, say, yo, here what? Hold on, you can do it. Just work hard and just uplift your thing. You hear that? And believe in yourself. And know, say, yo, you want this and you go for this. Never wanna be a shatter in the street, but my life never did so sweet. Now me lay down on the cell floor and I wonder how me do it, how me do it. Me never listen when mama speak. Me rather strap up and roam the street. Every night me a step on crime while the working class asleep. In the streets of Jamaica.
The first is the key.
All right, guys. So earlier this year, he scored a massive hit with his hit single, You Want Go Easy, but me want go hard. You want pretty carry me one yard. You just wash up, but you are gonna lose. Big up Bugle. Here he is with his brand new video, Wrong Priority. Check it out.
The first cut is the tea.
Me and no pastor, so me not preach. Me and no teacher, so me not teach. But when them say freedom of speech, alright, I hope this reach. How comes man a buy weed and can't buy food? Man a buy shot and can't buy shoes. Get up every day and I try to make it, and I blame politicians with a bag of excuse. False say you're poor and still a vibe. Never see this happen in a world before. Get up every day and I try to make it, and I blame politicians with a bag of excuse. Me now tell us me battle like Stark. Me rather say me battle like Godzilla. Music me a free me rate bunty, but other than him me no want see no killer. Me no know about cartel but me rate the vibes. The most controversial but open up eyes. Me no know no assassin but me rate agent Sasquatch. I know say the name change the wise. Some can't buy school uniform but them a buy can. And you a no farmer, fool you a farm. You a no go get that. So things not go better if I so put no plan to carry on. How comes man a buy weed and can't buy food? Man a buy shot and can't buy shoes. Get up every day and I try to make it, and I blame politicians with a bag of excuse. False say you're poor and still a vibe. Never see this happen in a world before. Get up every day and I try to make it. And I blame politicians with a bag of every morning. By 5 or 6 before day dawn. You have to have sitting a crushing on your palm. My lunchtime come, I you that a bigger thing. And I tell me say nothing not go on. Alright, enough of them youth that get spiritual. Them a take movie too literal. Can't tell some of them a no Al Pacino fit. Nothing at all, them will shoot all your girl. Comes man a buy weed and can't buy food. Man a buy shot and can't buy shoes. Get up every day and I try to make it. And I blame politicians with a bag of excuse. While say you're poor and still a buy. Never see this happen in a world before. Get up every day and I try to make it. And I blame politicians with a bag of excuse. Now tell us me battle like Starkey. Me rather say me battle like Gangzilla. Music me a pre me rate Bunty. But other than him me no want see no killer. Me no know about cartel but me rate the vibes. The most controversial but open up eyes. Me no know no assassin but me rate agent Sasquatch. I know say the name change the right. Some can't buy school uniform but them a buy can. And you want no farmer fool you a farm. You want no go getter. So things not go better if I so no plan to carry on. How comes man a buy weed and can't buy food. Man a buy shot and can't buy shoes. Get up every day and I try to make it. And I blame politicians with a bag of excuse. While say you're poor and still a buy. Never see this happen in a world before. Get up every day and I try to make it. And I blame politicians with a bag of excuse.
So you are watching Pree Dis. My name is Kruddy. Big up to all the fans there in Canada, in New York, and the whole Caribbean. Right now it's time for Sip Spring Water's Healthy Living Tip of the Week. So you guys listen up, check this out right now. This is actually one of my favorite features on Pree Dis.
This healthy living tip is brought to you by Sip Spring Water, Simply Sips. Drinking water helps to maintain the balance of body fluids. Your body is composed of about 60% water. The functions of these bodily fluids include digestion, absorption, circulation, creation of saliva, transportation of nutrients, and maintenance of body temperature. The healthy living tip brought to you by Sip Spring Water, Simply Sips.
All right, guys, it's now time for our second commercial break. But don't go nowhere, because when we come back, we have our food feature to roll out with. Food? Kruddy gone for the food. We'll be right back. Mwah.